Tell you what, he doesn't have to get lucky there, Van der Ven, with that Hinshelwood header. Kicks it off the post, it hits him on the arse and bounces along the line. Bit scrappy at the minute. As Dan still gives it to you, doggy, up against Minty. Puts it down that line. Bentancur does well though, but Brighton win it back. Boscagli nudges Xavi. No doubt he's going to start whinging about that and all. He's been whinging about everything Xavi has. Must be his time of the month. Out to Pascal Gross. Where's Hinshelwood? And it comes towards Welbeck. Headed away. Caglioglu knocks it down. Ayari on the ball. Where's my boy Jack? Come on, Pascal. Find him. And it goes from Gross. Oh, what a goal! What a goal by Mitoma. That is a fantastic strike. The cross comes in from Pascal Gross. It's deep towards the back post. Mitoma on the volley. With the inside of his left foot. He does the action of a pass, but he gets so much power on it. Flies past Kinski. An absolute fantastic connection by Mitoma. A brilliant volley. Spurs 1, Brighton 1. Yes! Come on. We said it, didn't we, chat? We said it. When the injury to Gomez happened, we said that this might be a good sub for Brighton. That's an outstanding finish by Mitoma. Oh, the more I watch it, the more I like it. Sheesh. Anyway, we're back underway. 2 minutes to go, at least. Spurs 1, Brighton 1. Mitoma with the equaliser for the Seagulls. An outstanding finish. Come on, Spurs. Come on, Brighton. You've got to get at them. Spurs will be shaky now. They'll be nervous. Minte on the ball.
Minter. Gallagher. Poor from Gallagher. Spurs players on the... Simmons is on the floor again. Hinshelwood. Ayari. Gross. Gross again. What a ball. Back post. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. That is what we like to see. That is what we like to see. Karim Mitoma. Karim Mitoma. Get in there, boy. What a finish. An absolute stonker. Mitoma. Come on, the boys. Japanese worldie. Mitoma. What a goal. What a fantastic goal. Look at Gross's delivery here, people. Gee whiz, look at this. Look at this for a delivery, Gross. Whip. Back post. Oh, what a goal. What a goal. What an absolute... What? It's got to be goal of the day, hasn't it? Look at that. Get in. What a goal. Mitoma. Thunderbolt from Mitoma, says Zoe. You love to see it. It's gone quiet, hasn't it? It's gone very, very quiet. To side foot it as well, Joel. That's an unbelievable finish, mate. If anybody's played the game at any level, you know how hard that is. That's an outrage. If like, honestly, I wonder if he did that like 100 more times, if he could do that again. That's an outrageous goal.